Hey everyone, welcome back to Codes of Ayaan channel. So this is the first video in A to Z React Native series, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is application and how many types of applications are there, and how exactly React Native comes into picture. These are the things, and the end, so that you will get a proper idea. And I'll guarantee you this thing. Okay, I'm going to use very simple words. Okay, to explain you guys and what exactly this mobile app development means, how many types of development, how many ways we can develop the mobile app, these things and all I'm going to discuss in this video. Okay, I hope you like it. Before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, follow for more videos on React Native. And if you haven't liked this video yet, first like this video. And okay, and without wasting time, let's start the video. Okay, perfect. Now first question is, let's discuss about this thing, like what is, okay, let me correct this one. What is application? Okay, we all heard lot of times, right? Application short form is app. Okay, let me write short form also, app. Now if someone asks me like what is app, and lot of time we heard web app, web applications, mobile application, these things and all. Let me give a easy word. There is a set of functionalities we'll implement, okay, where user can able to use this. Okay, this is a very short and easy way. Nothing but where we create some functionalities so that user can able to use that. Okay, in a short of way. Okay, I have explained it in a what is app. Okay, perfect. You understood, right? There's a set of functions. Now if you don't know like what exactly functions, okay, if someone is new to the coding thing, okay, let me make it much more easier way. There are can I say works. Okay, we have created some works. Let me write it, in fact, works. Okay, where user can, or else like where user can able to use these works to fulfill. Okay, something like that. Okay, I hope you understood, right? User can able to use these works. Okay, I hope you understand and easy works. Okay, perfect. Okay, we know what is app. Let me keep it like this only. Now okay, how many types of apps are there? Okay, let's write it, and I'm going to explain also what exactly in these things. Let me first comes picture desktop application. There are many more, but majority of the things I'm going to write here. Second thing, obviously, which we are going to learn in this series, mobile applications. Third one, web applications. Okay, perfect. Now what is desktop applications? Desktop applications are these apps where and one more thing to add on, there are many more application types like embedded applications. There are many more, but majority of where we used to like everywhere we used to hear about these three only, majority. Okay, these are the main things to know. I don't want to confuse all, discuss you and show you about all the things, and I don't want to confuse you guys. That's fine. And just for basic knowledge purpose, these are the three majority applications exist in our life. Okay, perfect. Now what is desktop applications? We know what is application. Okay, then what about desktop application? Desktop applications are the application where we use in our systems, in a simple layman words. Okay, in a simple words, if you say laptop, let me show you, in fact. Can I say okay, let me show you Brave. Okay, this is one browser basically, and this is, can I say this is as a desktop application? It is. OBS, this is also one desktop application, and Premiere Pro, this is also one desktop application. Nothing but application where we use in our systems. These are the desktop application in a simple way. Perfect, we understood, right? Perfect. Okay, desktop application done. Now let's talk about mobile application, where we came to know what is mobile application, right? Perfect. So if you open Play Store, we all know Play Store, right? In our apps we have right now, everyone who were watching this video, we all hold device, right? Smart devices. And if you see, if you are using iOS, there is the App Store is there, and for Android we have Play Store. Okay, perfect. And if you open right now, you can while watching this video also just open this Play Store or App Store, whatever specific OS your user, okay, using basically. If you open Play Store, there's a Flipkart, or else no need to open also. If you see Flipkart, Amazon, these are the mobile, right? These are the applications, right? Where we are using in our mobile. Can we say these are mobile applications? Yes, we can, right? Where we are using application, nothing but they built for mobile only, no? That's it. Mobile application in a short and easy way, nothing but application which specifically built for mobile, and same way application which specifically built for desktop like computer, PCs, these things. That's it. And now, okay, we understood in an easy way. Then what about web applications? Application which specifically built for browsers. If you see, right now I'm able to open this YouTube, right? This is one website basically, web application, nothing but. And this is one drawing platform I'm using. This is .com. This is one web application. If you open Facebook, can I open Figma? Figma, this is also, if you don't know Figma, okay, just ignore this if you don't know. Basically this is a UI platform where UI designers create their using platform. Okay, we'll discuss about that also in our course. It's fine. Right now just ignore that. Now you know about what is desktop application, what is mobile application, what is web applications. Okay, perfect. Now why we came here? We came here to learn about mobile applications. Okay, we are not going to consider these things. Okay, we just came here to learn about mobile applications. Let's learn about mobile applications specifically. Perfect. Mobile applications. Now how many types of OSs we have right now? Can I say Android? We are Android users. Okay, perfect. Now if you can know, like Apple, iPhones basically, Apple users. Can I say Apple users? Okay, perfect. Okay, right now mobile OSs contain these two users, right? Android and Apple. And one more thing to keep in mind, that Google also uses Android only. Okay, for this reason any phone comes under in these two categories only. Okay, perfect. I hope you can able to see. Okay, or else let me zoom it. Right now you can able to see this, right? Perfect. Okay, now let's say I have one requirement. Okay, I have one app in my mind and I want to create one mobile app. Okay, perfect. Who are my users? My users contains in these two. Okay, perfect. Now let's say as of now just focus on this Android. I want to create one Android app. Okay, let me write it here. I want to create Android app. How to create Android app? Okay, so let's discuss about this thing. Android application. Perfect. To create Android application, I mean if I want to create one Android app and I want to release it in a Play Store. Okay, perfect. Now what things I need to to create an Android app, what things I need to know about and I need to use basically. Can I say one Java or Kotlin basically, second XML, 3 to use the platform. Okay, in fact I'm going to explain each thing also. Okay, don't worry if you don't know, if you're listening first time these words, don't worry, I'm going to explain it also clearly. Okay, just stick to this video and watch till the end. I'll assure you I'm going to explain it in a much easy way. Perfect. So first let's focus on these things. Okay, if you see, for Android application I need 3 things to complete my Android app. Nothing but to create my Android app. Okay, let me highlight it like this and let me draw it here. For easy understanding. Okay, Android app. Perfect. Okay, perfect. To create Android app I need to learn these three things, to use these three things, then only I can able to create Android app. Okay, perfect. We can able to see now what is Java and Kotlin. So basically, either you can learn Java. Java is basically a coding language. If you are listening, if you are hearing this first time, basically Java or Kotlin. These are the hold on. Let me do one thing. I'll create one box. If I can able to okay, let me create it in this thing, and okay, let me do one thing. Come on, what happened to this? Let me remove this thing. Okay, or else for easy way, just stick to me. I'm going to explain it in a much easy way. Press or else click, and I'll say count equals to 1. Okay, so basically if you see, I have one text, okay, that is count equal to 1. Okay, now I have one button, and on that button there is a word called text called click. Don't worry, I'm going to explain it in a much easy way. Okay, if you think it's a bit difficult, no it's not. I'm going to explain it in an easy way. Okay, now my logic is like, if I click on this button, I want to increase this count. Ignore the logic. Okay, just ignore this as of now. Like, you don't, like, simply there is a one count. Okay, one number is there, or else if you are able to, it was a bit difficult for you. Wait, let me change to number. Okay, number equal to initially 1. On click of each click of this particular button, I'm going to make it to count to 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, if you see, this is a button, and if I changing colors, right, there are multiple colors. In fact, I can increase this button height and increase it, decrease it as much as I can. How can I create this button? Using XML. XML is a can we say, if you're aware of HTML, CSS, can I say XML as a HTML thing? Okay, perfect. And CSS also, nothing but to how much length of to create one button or something. Okay, to shape this, nothing but to create anything. Let's say if I created this triangle, this is I can create it using XML. Okay, and I can style it whatever color I want. Okay, this is the basic logic of this thing. Nothing but XML. Why we use XML means simply to create the UI. Okay, I hope you understood, right? Nothing but if I created, there is a one screen. Inside this one screen, there is a 4 to 5 boxes are there. Okay, like this. In fact, I can create circle also. These things. Okay, I can do it using with the help of XML. Okay, now what is XML means? Full form is extra markup language, and this is also one coding thing. Okay, coding language. Okay, perfect, you understood. Now on click of anything, logic, nothing but on click of anything I want to do something with the help of Java, I can do with the help of Java or Kotlin. Okay, I hope you understood, right? Nothing but on click of, if you want to handle any logic, we take help of Java. Okay, Java or Kotlin, it's up to you. You can prefer anything, it's fine. Let me click on this, I don't know why. Okay, ignore, you understood, right? Java or Kotlin. Why we use Java or Kotlin? For Android application, to use to build the logic for our app. On click of this button, I want to increase this count. For this purpose, I use Java or Kotlin. Okay, perfect. Now if you see, we all did shopping in Flipkart and all, right? If you click on add to cart button, it's doing something. That logic we'll create using Java or Kotlin. Simple. Okay, perfect. Now if in the UI you are able to see one add to cart button, right, with the blue color and all, that button we are going to create with XML. Okay, perfect. Okay, now you understood what is Java or Kotlin and what is the use of XML. Okay, then why we use the Android Studio? Android Studio itself, it's a platform basically. using this Android Studio, nothing but what exactly Android Studio telling is like, I'll give you one platform where you can able to create UI. You can write your logic, nothing but in a easy words, if I say it's like a slate. In childhood we all know slate, right? We can able to write ABCDs basically. ABCDEFG, we all know slate, right? Like this way. If you want to, okay, once your logic everything done, nothing but what I want to tell you is like, let me remove this. Okay, ignore this, it's not removing, it's fine. You have created your UI here and you want to generate APK with the help of Android Studio. In fact, I'm going to show you in this course also how to create APK. Okay, what does APK means? From Play Store you are downloading app, right? That is what APK. In fact, I'm going to show you that also. Okay, as of now you understood, right, what is Android Studio? Nothing but it's a platform where we use that platform to generate Android application. Okay, perfect. Now we all know how to create an Android app. Okay, we all have a basic idea that okay, with the help of Java or Kotlin we can able to handle the logic side. With the help of XML we can create beautiful UIs, responsive UIs. Okay, perfect. Where we can use this Java or XML with the help of Android Studio only. Why we use Android Studio means, in Android Studio you have created your app, okay, you wrote your logic, but you can able to visualize, right? You can able to see that, right? This Android Studio provides emulators. Now what exactly emulators means? Okay, let's discuss about that also. Let me write it, okay, if you confused about what exactly I spell emulator. Okay, let me drag it up, emulator. Now this will provides me multiple devices, okay, virtual device, nothing but a phone. In a easy words, in our words, a phone. It give me a phone where I can run my app. Whatever the app I have created, I can able to see that, visualize that. Okay, nothing but I have created this box. You wrote your code, okay, perfect. Then how you know that your box looking in your mobile app? Using this emulator we can able to visualize and we can able to see that whatever the UI and whatever the logic we built. Okay, that is the use of emulator. Okay, as of now we all know that how Android app we built. Okay, perfect. Now what about iOS app? Because we have two users, right? Okay, that we right now, if someone asks you like how to create Android app, we can explain this, that okay sir, like at Codes of Ayaan in this channel, this person has explained like, with the help of Java we create the logic side, with the help of XML we handle the UI side, with where we can use the generate APK and emulator we can able to see with the help of Android Studio platform. Okay, perfect, we all understood that. Perfect. Now what about Apple users? Now they'll hurt, right? Like we also exist and we want to use our app in Apple also. Okay, let's learn about how exactly Apple app, iOS apps getting created. Apple, or can I say, okay, let's keep it Apple only. Apple app or Apple application. Now to create an Apple application we need Swift or Objective C, if I'm not wrong. Okay, just ignore this right now. Swift, to make it easier way, Swift and Xcode. Simple. These two only. Okay, now let's discuss about Swift. So if you see, we have Java or Kotlin to handle logic, right? So here to create iOS Apple application we need a Swift coding language. What is Swift? It's a coding language. Let me write it here. Coding language. Okay, perfect. Swift, nothing but it's like Java exists, like Swift also exists, where we create UI and handle the UI and logic wise everything we can do with Swift. Okay, now what is Xcode? Can I say based on word only it's telling that it's like a platform? Like if you see, let me okay, my bad, let me open it again. Okay, we all know that what is Android Studio doing. Okay, then iOS also telling that if you guys have a Android Studio, then why don't we have a platform for us? Okay, yes, as you guessed, perfect. Xcode is also basically a platform. This provides let me write it here, what exactly this offers. Xcode, let's zoom it, and this offers a platform where you can write code. Okay, this is the step one. And second thing, step two, it gives simulators. Have we heard any word before? It bit close, right? Before coming to this thing, step one, let's discuss about step two. Is it somewhere close to can I say emulators? See, I have created and I have explained also emulator. What exactly? This is a virtual device. Okay, this contains mobile phones. I said, what mobile phones? It contains only Android mobile phones, because in Android Studio, Android itself suggests that what application we are creating, Android. Then can I say it contains emulator Android devices only? Perfect, as you guessed, right? Absolutely. Now you can tell me, simulator means, can I say is it also a virtual device? Yes, we can say. Then what type of devices it provide? Will it provide Android? You tell me. So to create a iOS app, which app we are creating? iOS. Now can I say to visualize our app, whatever the code, the UI we created, to see how exactly it fits into a iOS app? Can I say simulator provides iOS simulators? Nothing but iOS devices? Yes, you guessed right. Perfect. This is the iOS device. It provides simulators basically, where we can able to visualize our UI in our iOS, how exactly UI looking and how things looks and how exactly the logic working, everything we can able to handle. And this Xcode also provides IPA. Now what exactly IPA means? In Android app, we'll say Android, it generates APK, okay, where you can able to download it from Play Store, whereas Xcode, it gives IPA. Let me write it here so that you guys won't confuse. IPA file, if I'm not wrong, IPA or IPK, okay. Just ignore this thing. APK, Android Studio generates APK file, whereas Xcode provides IPA file. Okay, it's fine, and it's available in. We need to push it in App Store. Okay. If you see, after listening all these things, we know that this much things, like if I want to create Android app, I need to learn these. I need to learn about these three things. What is how I need to learn about Java, I need to learn about XML, I need to learn about Android Studio. To learn without knowing Android Studio, how to generate APK, how to add dependencies, everything, we cannot build Android application, right? Okay, if we struggle that much and learn these three things, okay, but I have other users also. I need to create mobile app for Apple users also. Okay, to create Apple app, like iOS app also, I need to learn Swift, one coding language again, and this is also like completely different from Java again. Okay, and again I need to learn about Xcode also. See, this much burden to create mobile apps for two platforms. Here only React Native comes into picture basically. Okay, here only React Native comes into picture. So what exactly this what exactly React Native and who are these competition to React Native, these things and all we are going to learn in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.